Hi, welcome to the... Hi, welcome... You go ahead. No, you go ahead. Okay. Hi, welcome...
Hiya!
Hi. Welcome to the unboxing and review of Netgear Arlo Pro wireless security camera system. First, let's open the box and see what's inside. These are sold in different varieties with different number of cameras and different accessories. The one that we have here was a Costco bundle, and this is what I got in the box. So far, I gotta say I really like the design of the Arlo Pro security camera system. The cameras, the base, and everything else look really good. Also, the build quality is good too. So thumbs up from me so far. Okay, so this is a completely wire-free camera system. There is a base station here that I should connect it to my network by using an Ethernet cable so it can have internet access. The cameras will be connected to the base unit using a 2.4 GHz wireless network, so there is no need to run any cables from the cameras to the base unit, which is good. The cameras are also battery operated, so they don't need any power cords either, which is great. These are HD cameras. They're also waterproof, so they can be used indoors as well as outdoors. They have night vision and also two-way audio. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to insert the batteries into the cameras. The batteries are fully charged when they left the factory, so I don't need to charge them now. But in the future, when I need to charge them, I can use the provided power adapter and cable to recharge the batteries. Now I'm going to sync the cameras with the base station one by one. First, I make sure the camera is close to the base unit. Then I press and hold the sync button on the top of the base unit for about 2 seconds. Next, I will also press and hold the sync button on the top of the camera for about 2 seconds. So now they're synced and the cameras are successfully connected to the base unit. This is a cloud-based system, so the video is going to be recorded somewhere on the cloud. But if I want, I can also use a USB drive for a local video backup. Okay, so now I'm going to create an Arlo account. I can either do it on their website if I'm using my computer, or download the Arlo app if I'm using a mobile device. There are different modes that I can select for the system. I can also assign different rules to each camera, which can tell the system how to react in different situations. For example, I'm going to put this camera in the backyard and set it to record a video for 30 seconds and send me an email when it detects motion. Okay, so first of all, it is easy to set up the system, very easy actually. It is something that non-tech savvy people should be able to do in maybe 10-15 minutes or so, which is good. Cameras are wire-free, which is great because it makes the installation much easier. I also like the magnetic mounts. It makes it easy to remove the camera, maybe if I need to recharge the battery, and install them again. The battery life though depends on how often the camera records and what quality it uses. This camera, for example, that I've been using it for almost 1 week, still has this much of battery left, which is good. I found the Arlo website and app to be very user-friendly and easy to work with. I like it that I can easily define rules for each camera. However, something that I think is missing here is the option to be able to record all the time. Unfortunately, the only options are either motion or audio detection recording. I personally prefer my security camera to record all the time and maybe send me some sort of notification when it detects motion. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do that with Arlo Pro security camera system. Even if I install a local USB drive, I can only use it to back up the videos from the cloud. Audio and video quality is good. I mean, I've seen better video quality from other 720p security cameras, but this one is still alright and should get the job done. I think if the lack of continuous recording is not a big deal for you and you think the motion and audio detection recording is enough, then it's a good security camera system. You also get 7 days of free cloud recording, which is good. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. Please hit that like button if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more videos are coming soon. Thank you and I see you next time.